Wait, something is missing. Hold on. More like kids, cause we need to be serious. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is another tutorial video. Let's get right into it. So guys, have you seen this video before? Wait, something is missing. Hold on. More like kids, cause we need to be serious. So let's watch together, guys. Let's watch this video together. Spider-Man, lifting up tomato, moving to the water. Okay. I'm sure we have seen this video severally, like on the internet, because these videos like this, they are bagging millions of views, like millions of views. Spider-Man, lifting up the palm oil, taking it somewhere, pouring it to the pot, kettle moving to the burner, pot flying, all those videos, they've been trending, and I'm going to teach you guys very simple way that you can achieve this. Very simple way. So let's get right into the video immediately. I'm not going to waste your time, because this is the shortest tutorial you will ever see on this page. The shortest, straight to the point. And I'm going to hold your hands, like step by step. No rushing. Don't rush me. If you know you want to rush, just go. But if you know you want to learn, just sit down. Let's do this together. Okay? Let's go right into the tutorial. First things first, how to achieve videos like this. First of all, you must have, again, imagine what you want to record in your brain. You have brain. You must have imagined that, okay, I'm going to record me putting this to the fire. I'm going to sprinkle Maggi. You must have thoughts like that in your head. And then you take videos, pictures at intervals when you're making this video. But I'm just going to show you a simple way using this picture that I took. I took this particular picture of my body lotion and body cream. So I'm going to use this as an example. Because you know they help now. This one is example. So I'm using cream. So when you reach your turn, you do your own. Let's go. So again, you open ChatGPT or Google Gemini. But I want to use ChatGPT. I'm doing the tutorial on my PC, but you're going to be, the screen record you're seeing is from the phone. So you don't think that it's only PC that you can use to do these things. You get, so don't get it mixed up. It's the same thing. So I'm just still going to do the same exact process on my PC, but just follow through with your phone, just the way you're seeing on this screen, right? So first of all, you open your ChatGPT, right, and then you upload the products or the screenshot you must have taken from the particular scene that you want the stuff to appear. Then you write this prompt, maintaining the same image, right? Add little matching legs, because what I want to achieve with this particular product is because I want this my cream to climb on top of the bed. I want it to have leg, right? This is example. Hey. So basically you do that, ChatGPT will process the image and then it will come out. Right, it has processed it now, and then we now have our product with a leg on it. After this one, I'm going to show you an example of how you can impute another avatar. This one now, I'm using the particular product. If it's your pot, you can say your pot to develop leg. If it's kettle, you will say your kettle should develop legs, or you add wings to it, or use your brain. Then next thing, you want to open your image to video tool, which is Grok. I'm using Grok. You can use Meta AI, but I'm using Grok. Use Grok. Grok is free. Then you now upload the screenshot. Click on Imagine as usual. Imagine. Then click upload that image that ChatGPT generated for you. Then you now use the same prompt. maintaining the same image. Always use maintaining the same image, right? Make the two creams walk and climb on the bed. So let's wait. AI is silly. Wow, okay. This is just the first step. So guys, this is so crazy. It's so crazy. So okay, let me say, let me delete this and now put comma and sit. Let's tell the cream to sit. Let's see if it's going to process that. Let's see. You can't sit to do anything. Okay. Sat down. Very sweet. Like AI is sweet, and you are saying AI is going to replace human being. For where AI not replace human being, you just need to learn how to use these things. You get? You just need to learn how to use them. AI is not replacing shit. Because I'm not going to operate that. AI is not going to come the operate itself. Now still we human being go operator. So you need to learn these things so that you can utilize every bit of these tools. Do you get? So let's do another one. This time around, I want another avatar to appear to do this task instead of the product itself. But I'm going to use dog. You can use Spider-Man, you can use bird, you can use anything, right? So let's make use of this video of this juice and cup on the table. So first, I want to upload my image to ChatGPT as usual, as I did from the previous example. Hope you are listening. Open your ears. This is very simple. So let's do that. So I will not do the same thing. Take note, the same thing, maintaining the same image, add a cute puppy close to the juice pack. So let's see. Ah, what a cute dog! So that dog is so cute, guys. So again, we are going to grok. Let's see. So we'll upload the image and then we'll say maintaining the same image, right? Comma, make the puppy open the juice pack, pick up the juice pack and pour some into the glass cup. The reason for that verse video is because I did not type it on time. That's why. So let me just delete it. So, hey, this dog is violent. Jesus. Hey, well, this will tell you that if your prompt is not correct, you can make mistake. Do you get? So feel free to make mistake. The problem with you people is that you want everything to be perfect. You have to keep practicing this thing. You have to keep practicing till you are perfect. Mistakes are bound to happen. So don't be scared when you input a particular prompt and it's not giving you the result. Try again. So I'm going to correct this now. Let's do this. No spilling. No spilling. Even with my no spilling, it's still spilled, meaning it's not correct. So let's do another one again. Make sure no juice spills on the table. Let's see if that will work. Let's see. It's still spilled. That's what tell you that mistakes are about to happen. Oh, it's still spilled. If it was the cooking video now, you will say make the dog lift this and pour into the pot, or make the dog carry this to this, make the dog pick up the blender and put on the blender engine. Do you get it? So we are still going to correct it. So let's do this again. So we are going to say pour little juice into the glass cup. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, it works. Did you see? Like, mistakes are bound to happen. So you need to keep correcting it till you get the particular thing that you want that thing to do for you. That increase the seconds now to 10 seconds instead of 6 seconds. And then increase the resolution to 720. Okay, let's see. Let's see. AI is sweet. See, it's so sweet. The ability for you to impute something and then you're seeing the result of that code, like you're just putting your thoughts and then it's processing it. It's so sweet. So this thing is very, very simple. No stress. And like I always say, what you don't know is bigger than you, no matter how small that thing is. So again, pick the sense from the nonsense, right? And I see you again on my next tutorial video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and you guys should just engage if you want me to continue this thing, though, because you guys, you can be very ungrateful. Sorry, I know this. So you guys, please just engage on this video, okay? See you on another video. Ciao ciao.